Hello black hats, welcome back to Hacking with Ken. So today I'm going to tell you a few things that you need to do after installing a fresh Kali Linux. So basically the first thing you're going to do is open up your terminal, and this is literally the first thing you should do whenever you install new system, whether it's a Kali, whether it's Parrot, whether it's Ubuntu or any other stuff. Make sure your system is updated. Just type sudo apt update, type your password and check for latest updates if it already have. So basically this will fetch all the latest updates if it already have that your system needs to be updated or anything. So if it does, just let it be. It will take a few time, a few minutes or something like that. If the update is big, it might take longer than you expected. Depends upon your internet connection. For me, internet connection is not doing really great. So okay, 304 packages can be upgraded, or after that you going to do sudo apt upgrade, but I'm not going to do that, but you have to do that. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to type n, but you have to type y. Next thing you want to do, well, let's say you installed Kali ISO of 2.5 gigs. Now the next thing you want to do is open your web browser. Okay, open up your web browser and type Kali meta packages. Okay, now what are meta packages? Now let's say you don't want to install something or like one by one. Let's say I don't want to install additional tools one by one. So what I will do, okay, I will just install the meta packages, and Kali provide that. Wait, hold on. Kali meta packages. Wait, hold on. Install everything. That was package name. I forgot. They were called meta packages, by the way. So I think, well, let's say I'm just going to search Kali install everything. Or maybe wait, hold on. I'm going to just say Kali install everything, and it will provide me the meta packages. Here we go, Kali Linux meta packages, and there are meta packages. Meta packages are used to install meta packages at one time. So basically, as you can see, if you want to install Kali Linux default, this will install the Kali Linux default tools. You and Kali tweaks basically. So first of all, I'm going to run this, and as my system is updated, I can run this Kali tweaks. Basically it will say for hardening, for extra security, meta packages and everything, network repositories and everything. So which, if I want to do virtualization, I can just, so if we go to the meta packages, then we will get many type of meta packages, right? So let's say you want to install the core items, which are basically Kali Linux based system. Then you want to install, let's say, ARM devices if you have ARM. Then tools as part of Kali Net Hunter. If you want to install Kali Net Hunter, you can install that. So let's say we type this command. Now it will install these tools, and along with, if you want to install extended set of tools and everything, you can choose that, and then all other stuff. So then if you want to do, and the command will be sudo apt install, and then you put the meta package name. Let's say I want to install Kali Net Hunter. Wait, where did it go? Let's say I want to install Kali Net Hunter. There it is. So I will type sudo apt install, and let me go back, and let's go back. Let's quit this. Okay, sudo apt install, and then I'm going to do this. Okay, here we go, and then you go ahead and install that by clicking Y, but I'm not going to do that right now. I have all the tools I need because I installed this Kali Linux everything, and it installed the tools that I really need, and I don't need additional tools right now. So you can do meta packages and install the stuff you like. Now next thing you can do, and this is, by the way, this is really default. I mean, this is not really necessary, but if you want to do that, you can do that. So home, you can type your own custom URL, and I'm going to type my own custom URL, which is https://kenCypher.me. So what will it do? Whenever I will open the web browser, it will take me to kenCypher.me. Let's check it. Let's open up Firefox again and see if this works. So it will take me to my own website, and this is just optional if you want to do that, and if you want your portfolio to look good and everything, you can do that. So basically, and the next thing you want to do is if you already set up a root account, root password, but if you haven't, just set up a root password. I'm going to clear the screen. Just first go into the root by this, and then you need to set password for the root itself, and you need to type in different password for the root. For I mean, if you type if you set a password like 123 for some user, you should set a different password for root user. So I'm going to set a different password for root user, and then you can log into root without sudo bash, and you can log into root with legit method basically. So this is you need to do, and after that you need to check if the raw queue is extracted or not. So cd/usr/share/word list, sorry about that, word list. And if your raw queue seems like gz extension, you need to extract it. Just type the gzip-d command, and it will extract the raw queue into raw queue.txt, because this is a word list you will use in like most of your stuff. So basically you need that word list, and you need it to in txt form so you can interact with it. Now after that, you need to install perfect desktop environment for you. Now I will recommend GNOME because I'm using GNOME myself. I used Fedora for a while, and I used GNOME in it, and GNOME just like make things amazing. Like you just move the cursor to the top and it will show you interface like this. So you can go ahead and do between windows and everything, and you can select any working you're doing on, and then you can do show applications and everything. Now okay, so basically these are some things that you should do after installing Kali Linux. Some of them may apply on other Linux too, but some of them may won't. So basically all you have to do is just update your system, upgrade it, Kali meta packages, desktop environment, raw queue, everything, and make sure the tools you need, the basic tools you need, are installed without anything. And the last thing I want you to do is optional basically, but you can do it, will provide you with a store. You can install Flatpak and Flatpak, sorry. Now what will Flatpak do? It will provide you a store like this, and so you don't have to like go into apt for other resources and everything. You can just install right from the store. So it will provide basic applications like as you can see, PCS62, it's PlayStation 2 emulator. You can download PPSSPP, you can download Steam, you can download like everything which is on Linux. So basically this is Cryptometer and everything. So basically a lot of stuff is in this store. So and then you can download stuff from the store. Next thing, make sure you're connected to the internet while using Kali Linux, because if you're going to do hacking, you must be connected to the internet. And it's not recommended though, but I will say if you're going to do some hacking and you're not using any of the system, and you're using the system yourself, and you're not accessing any web servers like that or anything, or downloading third-party script, or just using Kali Linux tools, I will say do most of the hacking on Terminator. Now I don't have Terminator right now, or have I? Let's say how long does it take to install Terminator. Okay, it's a few kbs. Let's see how long does it take to install Terminator. Okay, it's installed. Let me just launch it and let me show you. So why Terminator? Terminator is basically a terminal, but it is more custom. Let me show you guys. So this is basically a Terminator. Okay, now what Terminator can do is you can split it into like this kind of things, like split horizontally, then you can split vertically, and then you can split it vertically too. So it basically feels like that you're doing real-time hacking, like you can run nmap here and dir search here, and then John here, and then like airgidon type scripts here. So it really looks cool, to be honest. And you can like open up a small terminal to open up notepads and everything, and you can like split it more horizontally and vertically and open more of the tabs, as many tabs you like. So basically I think rather than opening stuff in other tabs, like you cannot do this here, you cannot split this in half now, but you can do is open up multiple tabs. But sometimes we don't want to do that. We want to like stay in one tab and split it horizontally and vertically. So basically Terminator will let you do that. So basically I would recommend use Terminator for yourself. And next thing, if you are using Genome, whether if it's not, just make sure your RAM is free and everything. Like check your system, check your everything, everything seems working or not. And use strong passwords for each user, like I said, and use different passwords for your normal user and the root user, and it will really help in securing the system. You might not realize it now, but in the servers it's better if you use the root password differently from other users. So, and password should be complex, so it will be like not easier to crack. And do not download just third-party scripts if you want to do hacking. Read it first, at least read the script first. And you can go for ChatGPT to ask it for analyze the script for you. And after that, make sure you have connectivity and everything, and there you go, your Kali Linux lab is set up, ready to run, ready to rock and roll. And make sure if the tool does not run, do not get hasty and blame the tools or blame the Linux. Just read what it said, and you can and then just do it. So also, if you want to install Chrome, just go ahead and oh, I'm going to do searching on Chrome now for Chrome. Okay, hold on. You can just type Chrome here, and it will like pop up the Chrome website, as you know. So Google Chrome, and when you click on it, it will automatically give you, like, if you want to download it for Debian version. So basically you can go ahead and download the Debian version. Okay, if I go to download Chrome, wait, why? Okay, you can go at 64-bit for Debian, 64-bit RPM for Fedora, but I'm not going to do that because I already have it. So, and then there are few extensions you need on Firefox or Chrome if you want to do pen testing. Let me open up the Firefox and let me show you guys. So you need Foxy Proxy, which comes really handy when you're using Burp Suite. Okay, and then Cookie Editor. This is really one of the best. Like it shows you the how can I say, cookie variables, and you can edit them for your own advantage. And then Push Bullet is just for sending and receiving. The ad block comes really handy for blocking ads and everything. And Privacy Badger really come in handy. It really block trackers from the website, and I got tracker from my own website, and how do you know? So And then there is okay, I have this, but on Chrome you can do Webplizer and stuff like that, which comes really handy, and there are some fewer extension. So these are the things you need to do when you install Kali Linux freshly, like update your system and everything, and then so on, and then there you go. Now you're ready to rock and roll, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, toodles.